Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Opposition spokesman on finance, Mark Golding, says the government's microcredit bill will introduce 40 new criminal offences. Speaking at Mayberry's monthly investor forum yesterday, Mr. Golding explained that some of the provisions in the bill are counterproductive. Now, Mr. Golding added that two of the clauses that carry criminal penalties are unconventional. The Bank of Jamaica has announced that it will hold the policy interest rate at 0.75% per annum. The decision is based on the bank's current assessment that monetary conditions are appropriate to support the achievement of the inflation target of 4 to 6% over the medium term. Annual inflation last month was 4.8%. That was up from 3.9% in April and 3.1% in May 2018. We go on to currency trading. Today ended with the US dollar selling for $131.10. The Canadian dollar is now going for $101.39. It now costs $165.95 for the pound sterling, while the euro is selling for $150.52. Now, the JSE index lost 1,633 points today, while the junior market index declined by 14 points. Among today's winners were Salada Foods, 1834 Investments, GUS Corporation, Access Financial Services, and Cygnus Credit Investments. On the losing side were Siboney Group, Paramount Trading, Portland JSX, Pulse Investments, and Express Catering. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.